Here are 7 tips to help your firewood production. Number 1, ramp and roll. Set up a ramp in front of your splitter so you can roll those big rounds right up on it and not have to worry about tweaking your back. These rounds are about 24 inches wide and about 15 inches high. Number 2, split your rounds into slabs, not firewood size. Let's face it, these rounds are big and they're heavy. Trying to get them down into small firewood-sized pieces is really a pain. If you slab it, you can come back at your leisure. These will be a little bit drier and much more manageable. Number 3, use the right tools. Check out these Pulp Hooks. You owe it to yourself to have a set of these. It'll make life easy and it'll save your back. Number 4, layer and split your slabs. Pile them on top of each other and you can work more efficiently. Again, these slabs are a great size, so it's really fun to start splitting wood like this. Number 5, set up 2 rounds, one on each side of the splitter, flat side up. Use these as tables, and you can even use a slab of wood to adjust the height so you don't have to bend over. Number 6, control the ram. In other words, don't retract your ram all the way. Only retract it as far as you need it to get the next slab onto the beam. You'll cut down your cycle time and you'll increase your efficiency. Number 7, split right into your wagon. No sense making a big pile of splits only to come back and have to throw them in the wagon and haul them out. Work smarter, not harder, and get her done. Bonus tip and a friendly reminder, always use your PPE. I've got earplugs in, I've got my safety glasses on, steel-toed boots, and I've got my gloves. Stay safe.